The day Gino invented Phoscrete was a great leap forward for concrete repair. With both a chemical and mechanical bond, Phoscrete bonds permanently to concrete and to itself with no cold joints. With the power of Phoscrete, Gino transforms into a concrete pro. Soon, crews everywhere were fixing concrete fast with Phoscrete. With proper surface prep, demolition to expose rusted rebar, and to clean, sound concrete, they achieved permanent partial depth concrete repairs that last. Phoscrete transforms you into a concrete repair superhero. Transportation departments and contractors trust Phoscrete to repair their bridge decks with Phoscrete HC. And fix bridge substructures fast with Phoscrete VO. Short-circuit corrosion with Phoscrete rebar coat and stop rust. Phoscrete continues to innovate, serving customers across a wide range of markets, with Formula 1 for cold temperatures and Formula 3 for hot environments. Mix it fast in a bucket, mortar mixer, or a pan mixer, and pour, pack, pump, or spray it in place. If you're looking for concrete repair that's easy to use, bonds strong, and lasts long, fix it fast with Phoscrete.